Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a Savers haul that I want to show you guys, and I want to show you all the fun things that I found at Savers. So here you go. All right, so here's all the stuff that I have from Savers. I'm going to give you a rundown. I spent $111 at Savers. This was in one trip. We scored big time. So I wanted to also share with you guys, this is one of the outfits that I have for sale on Posh. This cute dress, the necklace. I've got these cute little pom-pom hats for sale, and also the conceal and carry purse. So I wanted to kind of share that with you guys and leave it here. If you think it's cute, go ahead and go on my Poshmark store or my eBay store. I've got them listed in multiple places. All of the concealed carry purses I know for sure on my hookedonpickin.com website. So check out hookedonpickin.com. You can find basically everything except for the dress and the necklace. Everything else is on there though. The hat and the purse are both on there because I try to stick to mostly brand new items on my Hooked on Pickin store. But anyway, what did I find at Savers? $111, and that's after I got a 30% discount. You can get a 30% discount at Savers if you donate other things and they do a punch card. And then also if you spend a certain amount of money, you get a punch card and you get 30% off, which is huge when you're in kind of the reselling world. So here's a pack of different games. There's one called Vantage, which I've never heard of. It's from the makers of Uno. And then this one's called Stun, and then Rook. So sorry I don't have a different camera guy today, so it's just going to be me, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing. But these were $3.99 for the original price, and I got 30% off. And so hopefully I can make a good profit there. And then, of course, I always find these here, and I don't know why people don't buy them, but they're basically adult Depends. But they're different brands. This is an extra large. There's 14 in it that I bought. I've got 3 bags of them. And they're really, I think I spent $4.99 a piece, and I can sell them for around $19 online. Just make sure they've not been opened or that the bag has not been punctured at all. Sometimes that happens just with items. Now here's one that it took me a little bit more effort. This is a set of 4 placemats. It's got kind of a wine glass theme with it. And so these are really, really cool. So there's 4 placemats, and I actually had to look these up by the picture so that I could find them, but they're gonna be worth it. I paid $4.99 for them, and I'll be able to make about $5. Here's one that I'm gonna put on eBay. If you're a teacher, these are a bunch of like these counting tokens. And I found a listing for $200 a piece online. And so these counting tokens, I'll be able to sell. These are $200 a piece bags, and they're brand new. They still have the label on them, if you can see. There is a set with this case, but I don't think I have the total 200 here. But there was a lot of stuff that teachers could use at Savers. So if you are a teacher, check out Savers. A lot of stuff that is usable. I always see flashcards there. And so that's something that's really, really good too. Here's something fun. I live in Illinois, and I found Illinoisopoly, believe it or not. This, when I first looked it up, I was restricted. And so in the store, I just went through the steps on my desktop site on my phone and was able to get unrestricted right in the store. So I knew I could buy it. I bought this one for, where's the price? $3.99. $3.99 for this one. $4.99 for the teacher stuff. Then this is going to go on eBay. This is a bunch of stamps. I see a lot of collectors do stamps on eBay, and so we're going to do this one on eBay. Here's another camera, my Kodak cameras. Sometimes I can find them on Amazon, and I can sell them really well used, but this is a Kodak EasyShare CX7310. I paid $2.99 for it. The stamps I paid $3.99 for. Then just a container of Kleenex. This one is called Talking Pictures. I paid $3.99 for it. Of course, all of these numbers I'm giving you is the 30% off. So I paid $3.99 for this Sharper Image Talking Pictures. And it's basically a photo album that you can record a message for each one. So that's really neat, and it's brand new in package. Here's some more brand new, uh-oh, I just dropped something. Brand new in package. This is a cable lock, usually for Defend cable lock. Oh, it's a USB cable lock, so you can lock your laptop to your desk if you're afraid of it walking off. And this is brand new in package, paid $4.99 for that. This one is a Hit Me electronic handheld game. These sell really, really well, these electronic handheld games. And so I would definitely highly recommend looking for these if you ever go to a thrift store. Even the cheap little Yahtzee ones sometimes sell really well. You can get really good sales on like eBay with these. So $2.99 is what I paid for that. Then this one is a Soundmaster. I believe it's a travel alarm clock, $2.99. It used electronics, goes really well as long as you can test them and put them on there that they're used. And they sell, if they don't sell on Amazon, you can sell them on eBay really, really well. Here's a Cyber Home DVD player. I paid $6 for this one. But as you can see, it's, you know, let me see if I can get it open. Oh, hit the button for open. So it's a really, really nice DVD player. It looks like it even has a CD in it. I didn't even notice that. So let me check, see what's in here. Ice Age is in there. So look, I even got a free DVD with this one. So I'm going to try to get this one to sell. $6 is what I paid. I'll probably put that one on eBay. Here is a potato sack. Now this one I couldn't find, but I thought for sure this is going to be an eBay sale. This is going to be awesome. So it's frozen potato sacks. That's really cool. At the end of this video, because I'm standing a little bit far away and you can't see the items as well, I will kind of scan through all of the things again, just so that you can see get a closer look at everything. Sorry, my camera guy actually had to go to his other job. So here's a NASA bear. This one was harder to find, but this guy's in really good condition. And I only paid $3 for him, and he's just super cute and squishy. But it's from the Smithsonian Institute. And so I thought that would be a really great sale. That one for sure is going to go on eBay. Remember I was talking about those Yahtzee ones? For $2, I got this Yahtzee handheld game, and they sell really, really well. So keep on the lookout for those handheld games. Okay, who knows what this is? Yes, those of you who are resellers know exactly what this is. This is a VHS tape, and yes, they are still worth it. Both of these are brand new, still in the package. I spent 99 cents a piece on them. This one is Christmas Classics, 21 cartoons, Christmas cartoons. It's got Rudolph, The Night Before Christmas, Howdy Doodie's Christmas, Santa Claus, Punch and Judy, Snow Fooling. So this might take you back, and you can't find this stuff anymore. And then this one is The Christmas Wish with Neil Patrick Harris in it. And so this one's brand new, still in the package as well. So those are fun finds. Here's another, this one is the U.S. Air Force Band of Mid-America CD, Christmas music. And then I've got a bunch of these small little figurines. I have seen lots on eBay, not lots as in many, but lots as in you sell a whole group of them on eBay. And so I'm planning on maybe separating these out and maybe doing like an African safari lot and then maybe like a farm animals lot. But these are plastic little animals. There's even dinosaurs in here. So I'll probably lot them up. I bought them for $2.99 and I'm hoping to sell them for about a $10 profit. Then I've got this camera, Yashica ZoomTech. It's cameras, 35mm cameras sell really, really great online. You may not have thought that, but check those out. Okay, this was my husband's pick because he's obsessed with brass. I don't know what his deal is, but he loves it. This is a bag basically for $2.99. It's got these little tiny cups in it. They're basically egg cups, and then it comes with a really pretty bell. So these are really fun. They don't have any distinguishable markings as far as names, but they're very, very beautiful and intricate, and I'll show them up close at the end of this video. All right, these were an awesome score. I've got two of them. Excuse me, Piglet. I've got two of them. These are AC Power accessory packs. They're both brand new in pack, and I can make, I was initially restricted in the store, was able to go to my desktop website from my phone, get ungated right away, and so I bought these, and I should make about 20 bucks a piece on these. I only spent $2.99 a piece. So those were really good. They're AC power packs. Here's another cable, laptop cable lock, a different brand. I spent $2.99 on this one, should make about 10 bucks. Here's some more stamps that I'll probably add to my stamp lot. There's a bunch of letters. Most of these are letters in various different sizes, $1.99. Poker chips is something that crafters buy poker chips, gamers buy poker chips. There's various different things that poker chips can be used for other than just playing poker games. And so for $1.99, I bought this entire bag of poker chips. There's gotta be probably 100 in here in various different colors: red, blue, cream, green, black, all different colors. Then I have this with the box, this Olympus Zoom 230. I'm trying to find the price. I spent $10 on it, but it comes original with the box and the directions. And so I'm really excited about this camera. I think it'll sell well. And I actually think I can find this one on Amazon. Here is Belkin. It's a Firewire 4-pin to 4-pin 6-foot cable. It looks like it's made traditionally for like a video camera, like an old school video camera to connect to a laptop. And so I paid $3.99 for that, brand new. I should make about $5 or $10 for it. Here's a cute piglet. I love him. I think he's so cute. He's in fantastic condition, no stains, no bruising. Doesn't look like it was in a pet home. Very lovely, really huge size. And I looked them up on eBay, and ones for this size are going for around so I will list this as pre-owned because obviously it's not from like a Walmart, it's from Savers, but I will list this pre-owned, and they're going for about $20 online pre-owned. So I'm really excited about that. And that's $20 and they're paying for shipping. So that's $20 totally in the profit. Do you guys remember Zuzu Pets? Okay, my kids got into these for a short period of time, these Zuzu Pets. And so do I have that upside down? Here we go. All right. So these are awesome toys. All three of these are going to sell for about a profit of about, I'd say $5 to $10 a piece, depending on which one I sell. And I think I paid, let me look and see if I can find the price on at least one of them. Yeah, $2.99 for this one. Yeah, $2.99 for all. A piece for each one of these. So $3 a piece. I'm going to make probably about $7 or $8 every time I sell one of them. Now here are just two things that caught my eye. I just walked by this and thought this was the coolest thing ever. This is a candlestick holder, and it looks like an oriental ship, kind of like a Chinese, Asian inspired oriental ship. And it's got, you know, like the gold accents on each side. I paid $5 for it, but I just thought it was super unique. I'm going to put this on my eBay website, and it's going to be really, really awesome. So if you want, it holds 7 candles. If you would like this, check for it in the link below. I should have it on eBay soon. If it is not on eBay and you want any of these items right away, just shoot me a message at hookedonpickin@gmail.com, and we can just set up a payment through PayPal. I'll just send you an invoice. All I need is your email address. So if we do that, then I can ship it direct, and then I don't even have to pay eBay fees. I could probably give you a better deal. And then the last thing that I have, I spent $13 on. It was my most expensive item I spent money on, but it is an old school looking phone. I mean, it's not totally old school because it has push button, but it's got the little like phone book holder there. It does have the little headset here, and then it's got the bell ringers here, and then yes, it does have a push button phone, not a rotary dial, but it's really, really awesome, and it does hook up to a current phone line. So if you have a regular phone jack, you can hang it on your wall, and it will hook up to a regular phone line, but I just think it looks really, really cool and awesome, and it'd be a perfect little accent piece for your house if you're looking for kind of that vintage old school look. So it is a Spirit of St. Louis redial. It's got New York, Paris, Spirit of St. Louis plaques on it, and it looks like it is a ETD. Anyway, it's a really, really nice piece. So I'm going to test it, make sure it works. But like I said, if you want this, just shoot me an email and I can set up a payment for you. So I'm gonna switch views real fast and give you a little bit of a tour along what I got so that you can see all the details real up close. Okay. I'm going to give you a better view of what I've got here. Here's all the cute little Zuzu pets that I have. It's just going to be a fast view, so you can pause if you want to look at something in a little bit more detail. But I wanted to give you kind of a close-up view of everything. This was the one thing that fell off the table while I was talking. It's a Travel Smart, basically outlet adapters, and I paid $2.99 for it, but it's brand new in package. Here's that cool Oriental candlestick holder. Here's Piglet. Say hi, Piglet. All right, and then here are all the other things that I purchased, and you can see the price there on those. Here's the stamps. This was the AC accessory packs. Here's the military band, the U.S. Air Force Band of America CD, the Christmas Classics DVDs, the Neil Patrick Harris one. Here's my Smithsonian bear. He's super cute. And it says right there, Smithsonian Institution. And then I've got my talking picture photo album and some of my electronics here. Illinoisopoly game, brand new, still sealed in package. Some more stamps. Here's those 3 card games I showed right at the beginning. Stun, Rook, and Vantage. Vantage is what it's called. And then another camera. There's my placemats. And then, of course, the kind of Depends adult underwear. Extra large. So I've got 3 packs. They're all the same size, 14 in each pack. Here's that cable lock for your laptop. And if you look, it kind of shows a picture on the back how you use it. But, and then of course, don't forget some of the items that I have on my Poshmark store. So I've got this cute little pom-pom hat. The pom-pom is removable. It's like a baseball cap wool look. And then the necklace and the dress. And of course the concealed carry purse, which is super cute as well. So it's got the concealed carry slots on the back. So if you want any of these things before I have them listed, because this video is going to go out Friday, October 26th. And so I may not have them all listed yet. If you want any of these, let me know at hookedonpickin@gmail.com and I will let you know what the price will be for the item, or if you want to shoot me a price, that's fine too. And we'll set up a PayPal transaction to go ahead and do that. And then you just save me a step from listing. All right. Hey, I hope this has been helpful to see what I got from a Savers thrift store run. I'm super excited. I think I should make a good amount of money. Spent $111. I hope for sure to double, maybe triple my money. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.